So here we have a brand new frame. This will go under this C1 Corvette, and the original frame will be replaced by this beauty, and this will ensure that we have a brand new Corvette handling under that old 59 C1 Corvette. This is going to be powered by an LS3, so this is now about 430 horsepower. So we need handling, and more than that, we need brakes. So if you look at the brakes on these are like really big calipers on the car, and these will ensure 6-piston and 4-piston will ensure that we get amazing handling and braking on the car. So the engine is producing all that horsepower, but unless you're able to get it to the ground, there's no point, and this is going to ensure that that happens. And that's why we put full frame chassis under all of our builds, because we want our cars to handle well, to drive well, and be true daily drivers.